Hey everyone, today I thought I would do one of my absolute favourite videos, which is a cleaning video. I will be doing my bathrooms today, so I have a little ensuite which you're seeing right now, and then I also have a bigger bathroom, like a main bathroom, which has a nice tub in, and we needed to clean this real bad. I did let it get a little bit dirty on purpose for the video, but it just needed maintenance anyway. So if you guys want to kind of see how I clean, some of the products I use, or just get motivated, then please keep watching. I always kind of start cleaning by getting rid of anything that's on the floor, anything that is finished with, like the towels that we don't need anymore, anything that is like in the way, anything that needs to go in the trash, I just kind of get rid of, and then I can start with like a blank canvas.
You got me when the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Also, please ignore my shower caddy. For some reason, the right suction never sucks, and it just kind of tilts to the side, and Tom and I have just kind of left it now. We've tried a few times and it just doesn't work, so we've just left it be.
You go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm and the chaos is rising.
So the bathrooms are usually actually Tom's job to do, but this is my new favourite toy. It's like a little toilet cleaner brush handle situation. You'll see it in action in the main bathroom as well, but this is why I am cleaning the bathrooms today, and it just brings me so much joy.
When your nightmares turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines, we will face it, standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need, I'm coming. You know I'll come running. You go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do.
For some reason, I kind of did this backward for me. I usually start with the glass first, and then I do the rest of the shower, but for today I think I just got really excited about filming, and I did the shower and then I had to do the glass afterwards. But this cloth here is from Home Bargains. It's an M cloth. It's kind of like the knockoff version of the E cloth, and oh my gosh, it is amazing. I literally just spray the window and glass cleaner again from Home Bargains and then go over this, and it leaves the glass incredible. I use it on mirrors as well. And I forgot to show you guys an after shot and a shot of me cleaning because my massive head was in the way, but I do a pan shot at the end and you'll see how clean it looks.
If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, I'm coming, I'll fight. I swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your
So I'm just filling up the sink with some hot water, and I'm going to go in with the SophieBBeauty Summer Breeze disinfectant, and I'm just going to pour that in the sink. It just helps obviously disinfect the sink, but also makes the bathroom smell stunning, and I think Summer Breeze is probably my favourite scent, I think. And then this is just, I kind of like double clean things, I'm not gonna lie. That's a like disinfectant wipe to go over the tap again. You'll see in the main bathroom I do double clean things, like I clean the toilet with the toilet brush that I showed you, and I also use toilet duck as well. I just like to double clean. And then I always anti-bac the flusher. I don't even know what that's called, toilet flusher. and the handles for the shower doors and handles for the bathroom doors as well. And then here's the cloth in action again. It's just so good.
Let's all take a ride. Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung.
Moving on to the main bathroom, the big bathroom, exactly the same situation, just kind of getting everything out of the way, moving things around, getting rid of any trash. This bathroom is kind of, it's like not a dumping ground, but a dumping ground for a bathroom. We never really use it because obviously we have the ensuite, it's just Tom and I that live here. We just obviously take our baths in here, but like that's about it. Oh, and I take the makeup off in here as well. So this bathroom kind of gets neglected on a day-to-day basis, and it does kind of just accumulate things. But yeah, and don't be alarmed by all these cleaning products. It's just so that I didn't have to keep trailing in and out of the bathroom. So here you'll see how I double clean things. So I'm gonna go in with my favorite thing. I need to know what the name for this is. I just keep calling it the toilet wand. Let's just call it the toilet wand. And then I will go in with toilet dirt as well. And I just leave them kind of just to sit in the toilet for a while.
We'll never be alone, Savannah.
On my mind, so say it with hope, and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be. But our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. 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 You know everything about me.
Is it just me, but I feel like whenever I watch people who do cleaning videos, they've got like a full face of makeup on. I feel like I need to be barefaced all the time. I mean, I'm barefaced like 99% of the time anyway, but especially to clean. But I feel like looking back on this content, I feel like next time I'm probably gonna put a little bit of makeup on, maybe brush my hair for the day. But yeah, so sorry that I look a little bit worse for wear. It's just my natural way. If any of you guys were interested or wanted to know, I got my bath shelf from Amazon, and I just popped a few things on there. So there's like a little plant pot, some of my muscle helper salt things, and then yeah, just like some bath salts and whatnot. always leave my floors till last. I'm sure most people do as well. And then nothing beats ending the cleaning day by lighting a candle, which is what I'm doing here. I have no idea where this candle's from. I've had it since Tom and I first lived together, which was like 4 years ago or something crazy. But this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed these cleaning videos. If you do, let me know. I clean a lot. I love to clean. It's one of my favorite things to do, so I can keep filming them. I just need to get better, obviously, at angles because my massive head gets in the way all of the time. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope it gives you guys some motivation. And until next time, I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye bye.